G'day, this is Race Runner and this is the connector for Scalextric to Carrera. Let's just take it apart and see how this all works. So on the top you can see we've got Scalextric, we've got Carrera, we've got some aluminium foil on a 3D printed track piece. Underneath there's a piece of copper wire that goes, it's under a crimp there, and it goes right through in a tunnel underneath this piece and goes into the inside of the metal rail in the Carrera side here. It's connected to that copper wire, which is really connecting the Scalextric to the Carrera, is going to be tapped into the aluminium foil at this point here using these alligator clips. So if we want to take it apart, the Carrera side, there's some little plugs forcing the copper wire down onto the rail. I'll take this off and you'll be able to see that the wires actually go through into the inside of the hole there. The metal protruding pins have been removed and that leaves an opening for the copper wire to go through. At the Scalextric end, the copper comes through and is under the crimp there. So if I lift up the crimping, well, it can come apart except that there's a cable tie holding those two pieces together, and I'm going to have a go at undoing that. There she goes, and now that'll come apart. Take a little bit of coaxing. Hold it there. Oh no, it's just a tight fit. Okay, that's fine. There we go. So there's the connector piece for Scalextric to Carrera.